So far we studied those 5 notes. I would like to review those 5 notes. That's a C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. In this video clip, we are going to study those 3 notes underneath those 5 notes. That's a B, A, and another G. It's a low G. They look like this. G, second line from the bottom is G, low G. Second space note from the bottom is A, and then the very center is a B. So those are the new notes. I would like to just use those 3 notes and go around them. And let's try to read it together. Okay. Second line from the bottom is a G right here. So it's a G right here. Not this one, this guy. Very center, the third line, the center line is a B. It looks like a C, but it's on the second space. That's an A. Since this is in the center, it's a B. Second line note is a C. Second space note is A. The very center is B. And the same note again. And second space note is A. This time I am going to mix up all those 8 notes. Is there any missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. Yeah, this note is missing. Yes. Okay, let's try to read it together. Second line note, that's a new note. Sitting on the top of the bench is a high G. The second line from the top is D. And the very center is a new note today. That's an old note. The second space note. First line note. And that's a new note today. Second space note. And one more. The space note top. On the very top is a E.